Hi everybody, this is my 8th and final grab bag from the summer, spring, 4th of July, back to school round, and I'm kind of sad because now I'm gonna no longer have something to look forward to opening, but on the bright side, I can finally start to organize everything that's in the bag and decide what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to donate, and what I may try to sell during who am I kidding? No one's going to buy this stuff at a garage sale, but I might try anyway because we're having a community garage sale in a couple of weeks. But here is my final grab bag. And since you guys, I've never shared Michael's grab bags before with y'all, but since you guys seem to enjoy them, then maybe I will continue sharing them in the future. And excuse my voice. I have a nasally, crackly voice right now because I'm recovering from being sick. So that's what's going on up in this business. And let's open it up and get started. Again, this is part of the jackpot grab boxes that I got, and this one really appealed to me because it seemed different. Instead of seeing a whole stack of happy planners at the bottom, I saw a lot of decorative pieces, and I sometimes, even if I don't like what a sign says, I will change it up, paint it, or put pictures on it, just make it something different. And I actually really like this sign. This first thing that I'm pulling out, it says, "Be our guest." I named my second daughter Annabelle, actually after Belle from Beauty and the Beast. So this one is $11.99. I will totally put that up at some point. And this here is a metal sign that says lake. Perhaps when I'm trying to do Big Bear Lake type decor, I can put that up. That one was, I forgot to tell you the price of it, $20 originally. And then 2 letters that have like a metal, they did this with the Easter decor too, I noticed from my Easter grab bags. But H and M, H and M. Man, the M is missing its metal little flower thing, but that's okay because you can barely tell. So there's those 2. I need to move them out of the way because I can't reach the box. I have a metal J. I think I got a couple of these in box number 4. This one doesn't show the price on it. I forgot what letters that I got in the other box, and then I got this thing that says Girl Power. I got 2 of those. I can see one in the background. What collection is this from? Summer. Well, I do have 2 girls. I'm not sure if they're interested in displaying something like this in their room, but I will offer it to them before trying to decide whether or not to do some sort of repurposing and turning it into a craft. Those were $12.99 each. Looks like I have 2 of these embroidered signs. Let's stay home. Well, we don't really want to stay home all the time anymore, so let's not. But I'll probably cover that part up. Like, I guess we could cover up the "let's stay" with something, and then it could just say home. Like, home is where the heart is. They can definitely be repurposed. It's $14.99, and this is from the Just Peachy collection. There is an H in here, a metal H that is green. This was from the spring collection. This one says, "Home, a collection of things we love." I'm not sure if I'm crazy about the saying. I do love that it says home, but maybe I can cover up the part that says a collection of things, because it sounds too superficial to me. So I mean, I would cover up this sentence and then just have home and love. I feel like that would be, that would make this plaque perfect. I should show you what I did with another sign where I wasn't crazy about the saying. I changed it up and now it's really cute. These plastic jars, crafting jars. So this would be good for kids to use because they're plastic. I got 4 of those, 2 in blue and 2 in purple. And then 2 of these are life, our home, our story. I could probably repurpose these into something else. And then this was the reason I picked this one up. I thought, I'm a sucker for all these succulent type things, and I have a whole video coming up with the 90% off succulent displays that I picked up from Rite Aid. So go check that one out if you are a sucker for succulent decorations as well. I'm kind of trying to go quickly, even though I'm sad that this is my last box to open, because it's almost time to pick up my daughter from TK, and I want to get this mess cleaned up before it's time for the girls to be home, just because they're going to be like, what is this? And then they're going to want to get into everything, but I want everything organized. What is this? Okay, a photo banner. Okay, this could be used in a scrapbook. Oh, so this is a little bit of string. Okay, this is cute. This could be used for a party or something, like a birthday party, or in a scrapbook. Looks like I got another one of those, and then some other type of banner. Oh, this is also another photo banner. $2.99 originally. It looks like I have some wax melts in here. It is Dead Sea and Sage scent and peach cilantro. And then it looks like more of these cute pens that I got from the previous box. Okay, only 1 set of these kind of pens. And then 2 of these rainbow. I think the rainbow are going to be perfect to put in goodie bags for school kids. And then 2 more of these index cards, perfect for my kids in school. And only 2 of the Happy Planner things, and I'm glad about that because I already got so many this round. I say this round because this year I got, I'm going to say, I don't know, at least 50 Happy Planners in the last round of grab bags. I mean, I was pretty stoked about it just because I was able to try out different layouts of Happy Planners. If I had to pay regular price for one of these, which is like $30-something, I wouldn't have been happy. Of course, who's going to buy 50 planners at regular price? No, I got all of those in grab bags. I think I got them all in one grab bag. It was like a grab bag full of a ton of Happy Planners. I guess they were just trying to get rid of them. It was like around March. So in March, they get rid of the 18-month planners. So they were still good all the way up until December 2021. So it was still nice to get them in March. And then this thing here is like a pen with the cute little pom-pom at the top. And I could totally picture my girls playing with this thing. So there you have it. That was my final grab bag. And thank you for being along for the ride. And I'm sorry about the audio cutting out and talking too quietly because I'm not used to filming with the iPhone anymore. I used to film with my DSLR, but that is just, I don't have a place to set that thing up. That camera is big. I need a tripod for it. And I'm just trying to figure out how to make the iPhone work for me as my filming device, since I'm kind of taking you guys on my casual shopping trips and my crafty hauls mainly. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.